Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, explain substring method of string class in Java. Let me answer. In Java, for the string class, there is a predefined method known as substring. Okay, there is no one method called a substring. There are two overloaded methods instead. Okay, substring of begin index, substring of begin index comma end index. Like that, with the same name, we have two overloaded methods with the name substring for the string class in Java. Using this, any of these methods, we can retrieve a portion of a particular string text. Okay, some portion of the string text, if you want to retrieve, we can use a substring method of the string class in Java, and using that, we can retrieve the portion of the string text. Let me practically demonstrate how to use both of these overloaded substring methods of the string class in order to retrieve the portion of the string text. So for that practical demonstration, I'm going to switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here, I'm going to create a new class, guys. I'm going to create a new class. I'll right click here and select new class. I'll just name this as some random name. Let's say class 9, let's say, and with main method. And here, I'm going to create, string. Let's say str is equal to, I'll say Arun Motori. Okay. Now, I would like to retrieve a portion of that particular text. Let's say I would like to retrieve this run motori here. Okay. So instead of the first letter, from the second letter onwards till the end of the text, I want to retrieve the text. So what I have to do here is, or I want to retrieve the last name here. Okay. From this entire text, I would like to retrieve the last name. Let's say motori, I want to retrieve. So what I will do is I will simply say str dot substring. When I type substring, you see two overloaded methods are coming. These two overloaded methods having the same name belong to the same string class. In one of the overloaded method, you have to pass only the begin index from where you want to cut the portion of the string till the end of the string. Whereas in the second, you have to provide not only the begin index but also the end index to specify the exact portion of the string text out of this entire text that you want to retrieve as a portion. Now I'll say substring of 0 here, a semicolon here, and here I have to provide the index, guys. So from where you want to cut the string, okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From fifth index onwards to the end of the string text I want to retrieve. So I'll give 5 here. Okay, I'll give 5 here. So this will return you the last name, string last name. Okay, from that full name, I'm returning the last name. Okay, otherwise I'll give full name here. And here I'll say full name dot. I would like to retrieve a portion of the string text, which is the last name. Into this, I would like to print out the last name. Let's see whether the last name has been retrieved or not. Okay, system.out.println. I'll just print out the last name. Now run the code and observe that the last name will be printed. Okay, last name Motori has to be printed. You see, we were able to successfully retrieve a portion of the string text from here to here using the begin index. Yum is at the index 5 till the end of the text it will take. Or there may be some situations where you want to retrieve some portion of the text. Let's say I would like to retrieve this RUN. Only these 3 letters I want to retrieve. So what I will do here is, I'll say full name dot substring. Here I'll take the another overloaded method, guys. The second overloaded method of the substring, that is, here I'll put the begin index from where I want to retrieve the portion. 0, 1. R is at the index 1. I'll give 1. And after that, have to give the number of positions from the beginning of the string text. Okay, it's not the end index. Though the definition says that it is an end index, we have to provide. When I hover the mouse on the substring, it's not coming. When I hover the mouse on the substring, here it will say that you have to provide the end index. You have to provide end index here, but it's not end index, guys. It's a position. So from the beginning, just count the position. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Till 4 I want. So give 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't count index, guys. If you count index for this big end index, 0, 1, 2, 3 you will give, RU will be retrieved. Okay. If you want RUN from this Arun, then you have to give 1, comma 4. 1 is the begin index, 0, 1. But 4 is a position, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 till N. Okay. From R to N, it will be retrieved. So here string str is equal to system.out.println. I'll just print out that str, that is a substring portion, which is giving the begin index and end index position here. It's not the index, actually it's a position. Okay. Run the code, RUN will be printed, retrieved and printed. You see, RUN portion of the entire string text has been retrieved. So using this overloaded methods of the substring, that is substring of begin index, substring of begin and end index, we can retrieve the portion of the string text of the entire string text, guys. So hope guys with practical demonstration I've answered this question for you, that is explain substring method of string class in Java. There are two overloaded methods for the substring methods of string class in Java, and using any of this we can retrieve the portion of the string text. First overloaded method, you have to only provide the begin index till the end of that string text, where the second substring overloaded method, you have to pass begin index and end index position guys. Okay. By doing that, we can retrieve a portion of the entire string text, and we can print them, retrieve them, and using the print statements, we can print the result of the substrings in the output, okay, to see whether we have properly retrieved the portion of the string text or not, as demonstrated in the practical demonstration of this session. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.